नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली आईएएस में। दोस्तों आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और इसका रीज़न बताऊँगा मैं वीडियो में आगे। ओके, तो दोस्तों आज मेरी तैयारी का है डे 57 एंड मेरा जो टारगेट है उसको डे रह रहे हैं अभी 312। सो लेट अस सी व्हाट विल बी माय टुडे शेड्यूल, हाउ आई विल अचीव दैट and but before that, if you are new to this channel then please subscribe it. Okay, so as you can see today is July of 23. So before today's schedule, let us see what have I achieved from my yesterday's schedule. This is my yesterday's schedule of 18th July, as you can see here. So yesterday, yes, okay, yesterday my target was initially technique training. Yes, I did very nicely. And yesterday my main agenda was sociology, rest of unit 7, half of unit 7. So I did this very nicely. Even I completed this till here. So this was my buffer time and I utilized it by discussing with my very close friend, very senior aspirant. He has been in interview and he has given 3 times mains. So he is really a nice guy. So I spent time with discussion with him. Okay, and from 9 to 10, this thing I did here, retrieval 1, revision 1. Okay, this thing I did here, and this thing I didn't did it yesterday. So basically, as you can see, what was my main agenda, I achieved that successfully. So yesterday I achieved nearly 95% of my schedule. So this is the main reason that I am happy. Okay, so let us see my today's schedule, what I will achieve today. From 9 to 10 I will do technique learning. Okay, and then my main agenda is today study of GS2, and in GS2 development process and development industry, role of NGO, SSG, various group and association, blah 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 blah, this thing. Okay, I will study it during 4 study block, 1, then 1 to 2, then 3 to 4, and I hope that I will try to complete it by 4 p.m. if not then by 5 p.m. and 6 to 8 will be my buffer time, and if something is remaining then I will do that thing during this time as well. 9 to 10 I will do retrieval 1, means revision of the whole day, and 10 to 11 I will do COB, marginal gain and research and development. Okay, so this is my today's schedule. Let us see how much I will achieve. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe the channel.